Hello guys, today I will show to you how to make this text slash it effect. First, make new page, the size whatever you want, and then make solid color layer. I use red, and then make another solid color layer. I use blue, and hit the masking. Use lasso tool to select. This is for the cut, and then fill with black, and then Ctrl D to deselect, and then copy the blue layer, hit the masking, and then Ctrl I to invert the masking, and then unlock the mask, and then Ctrl T, and then right click, and then wrap. Select another layer, unlock the masking, select the masking, and then Ctrl T, right click, wrap. Lock the masking, and then make new layer for the text. I use white. I arrange the size of the text, and then I start typing. Ctrl T to transform the text. Position the text, and then right click, convert to smart object, then Ctrl J to copy the text layer, and then Ctrl Alt J, Ctrl Alt G to clip the text, and then position the text like this, and then press Ctrl and then click the masking to select, and then make new layer here, and then fill with black, and then Ctrl D to deselect, and then Ctrl T to transform. Convert to smart object first, and then Ctrl T, transform, and then wrap. This is for the shadow. Why I convert to smart object? Because I want to use Gaussian blur, and then I can rearrange again the setting of the Gaussian blur anytime I want. So that's why I use smart object, and then I arrange the opacity, and then lock the text layer so you can arrange the position at the same time. Ctrl T to transform, and then because this is smart object, it is procedural, you can change the word whatever you want. For example, size it. Okay guys, I think that's it for today. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.